In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Whippet add-on and find all of its settings. To install the add-on, just go to Edit, Preferences, navigate to the Add-ons button down here, and then in the top right, you'll want to hit this drop down and do Install from Disk. And then you'll want to navigate to where you have saved the zip file when you purchase Whippet, or if you downloaded it from the Whippet versions page. And you'll want to select the specific zip file for the specific version that you want. And then if you don't see it come up here, if it shows up like this, then just scroll down to the bottom, or just type in WH and then it should pop up. And then to see all the preferences that come with the add-on, you can expand it. And then if you scroll down, you can access all of the different preferences that come with the add-on. And all of these, if you change these and then, save and close your file, or if you come down here and do save load and set auto save preferences, then anything you change here, when you reopen the file, it'll remember those changes that you made here. So depending on your monitor display, you might need to change the size of some things. If you want to set up a different lens kit, you can come down here and you can hit the plus button. You can rename it by double clicking in it. And then to add any kind of a preset of focal lengths, you can type in the focal length figure here and then hit plus, and then you can 35 millimeter, so on and so forth. So you can add that. And then when you go into adding a new camera, you can access all the different lens kits that you have here. To fully leverage the Whippet add-on, you'll want to use shortcuts inside the zip file that you get when you purchase the add-on, or if you download it from the versions webpage on my website. There will be a Python file that has my keyboard shortcuts mapped to it, and you can import that. If you go over to Keymap and then select import up here, you can navigate to where you saved it out. I'll hit the Keymap, and then when you import it, it'll show up like this, and then here at the top you'll see my name with the Keymap and the version number. If you ever want to go back to your Blender default Keymap settings, you can go and select it here and hit Blender, and then now you get everything, all your preferences and everything back the way you want. If you prefer to use and set up your own keyboard shortcuts, then you can reference in the documentation. I have a full list of all the keyboard shortcuts and the operators that you'd need to add. But as an example, if you scroll down to here, and then if you go to grease pencil paint mode, and then you scroll all the way down here, you can see that I have some of the Whippet operators set to specific keybinds. So in order to add your own keybind, if you were using your own keymap with the default Blender one up here, you won't have these Whippet ones. You'll need to add them. So to do that, you just hit add new. Open this up, and then you would type the respective, jump to. So you can reference or copy paste what's in the documentation and put that here, and then assign it to whatever shortcut you want to do. To make it inactive, you would just do that, or delete it is hitting that button.